Hello, this is lecture 10, 6th sem, Maths 1 by Ramanjan sir. Next, in continuation of lecture 10, there in lecture 9, we completed 4 problems. Now in this lecture 10, we have to start by problem 5. I can simplify again. So first is choosing multipliers 1, 1, 1. So each ratio can multiply by 1 and adding automatically this will get. So each ratio, this one is equal to again this one. Each ratio means. So the denominator will be 0 here. So that cross multiplication 0 with each ratio may be 0. So the remaining is dx plus dy plus dz is equal to 0, variable separable form. Integrating integral dx plus integral dy plus integral dz is equal to c1. So that x plus y plus z is equal to c1. 2. Next, again to make the denominator is 0 in these ratios, choosing multipliers 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z. Now each ratio is equal to dx numerator. In this equation, numerator is dx by x. So dx by x plus dy by y plus dz by z divided by automatically denominators of this is 1 by x divided by 1 by x is this is, or multiplies with 1 by x numerator and 1 by x denominator. So 1 by x dx is dx by x. 1 by x into x y minus z means x will be cancelled, only y minus z. Similarly here is z minus x, here is x minus y. The numerator should be dx by x, dy by y, dz by z. All will be adding. So this is to be getting. So simplification, denominator is 0, numerator is the same. Cross multiplication is this. That implies integration means integrating log x plus log y plus log z is equal to log c2. Implies log xyz is equal to log c2. Eliminating log on both sides, xyz is equal to c2. Take this as equation 3. Therefore 2 and 3 gives the general solution of 1. 2 and 3 gives the general solution of 1. So 6th problem, I think we have one idea will get to make the solutions by using the multipliers. So solve dx by x into y square minus z square is equal to dy divided by y into z square minus x square is equal to dz divided by z into x square minus y square. See that now the solution. Given dx divided by x into y square minus z square is equal to dy divided by y into z square minus x square is equal to dz divided by z into x square minus y square. Take this as 1. So here is method of grouping is not possible because whatever we take, it is not possible that ratios, that Roman 1, Roman 2, Roman 3 cannot be right in the variable separable form, so that we can go for the multipliers. In the multipliers means the denominator make it 0. How it is possible? Choosing multipliers x, y, z. So first ratio can multiply by x, numerator, denominator. second ratio with y, third ratio with z, numerator and denominator. So that it will be now each ratio is equal to x dx. Similarly, adding all y dy plus z dz, because the multipliers as x comma y comma z. Denominators are to be x square into y square minus z square plus y square into z square minus x square plus z square into x square minus y square. This is equal to, in simplification, numerator is x dx plus y dy plus z dz whole divided by 0. So whatever the simplification it is, denominator must be is equal to 0. Cross multiplication, then x dx plus y dy plus z dz is equal to 0. This is of variable separable form. Integrating x square by 2 plus y square by 2 plus z square by 2 is equal to c, or otherwise x square plus y square plus z square is equal to c1, where 2c is equal to c1. Take this equation as 2. This equation as 2. Next, now to cancel this x, y, z here, so that the remaining is to be in the denominators y square minus z square minus x square minus y square. Even though you can add them, the denominator must be 0. So that I can delete this. How can I delete this? Dividing by x, that is multiply with 1 by x. Here is also 1 by x, means it should be cancelled. Here also 1 by y into y to be cancelled. 1 by z into z to be cancelled. Like that I can make it. So choosing multipliers, 1 by x comma 1 by y comma 1 by z, so that each ratio is equal to dx by x plus dy by y plus dz by z whole divided by y square minus z square plus z square minus x square plus x square minus y square, like this. So cross multiplication, we will get dx by x plus dy by y plus dz by z is equal to 0. This is a variable separable form. So that integrating log x plus log y plus log z is equal to log c2 implies log xyz is equal to log c2 implies xyz is equal to c2. Take this as equation 3. Therefore 2 and 3 gives the general solution of 1. So seventh problem, solve dx by y plus z is equal to dy by z plus x is equal to dz by x minus y. So solution, dx by y plus z is equal to dy by z plus x is equal to dz by x minus y. Take this as equation 1. Now to make the denominator will be 0. So what shall I do it? Right. If choosing here is minus y is there, to be cancelled y, So automatically this can multiply by 1 choosing multipliers. Just we have to apply logically choosing multipliers. This can be 1, and here is plus z is there. I shall make this is minus z, so that multiply the second ratio by minus 1, and automatically minus x will be getting it, plus x will be there, so that the third ratio can multiply by 1. So at the time each ratio is equal to dx minus dy plus dz divided by y plus z minus of z plus x plus x minus y is equal to dx minus dy plus dz divided by 0. See that? How can I choose the multipliers to make the denominators in summation will be is equal to 0? This implies dx minus dy plus dz is equal to 0. This is of variable separable form. Integrating integral dx minus integral dy plus integral dz is equal to c1 implies x minus y plus z is equal to c1. Take this as 2. Next, again how can I make it? The denominator will be 0. So choosing multipliers with x first ratio comma minus y comma z, x y z's, so that automatically the square terms will be getting, to make it will be cancelled, as denominators cannot be right with x is there, so that here is xy and here is this is multiplying with x is, the ratio can multiply with x is denominator, here is xy, where it will be again minus xy, we need minus xy, as a multiply here is with minus y into x is minus xy, that it will be cancelled. It can be choosing logically, the multipliers can be choosing logically to make the denominators will be is equal to 0, so that here is to be each ratio is equal to x dx minus y dy plus z dz is divided by x into y plus z minus y into z plus x plus z into x plus y, x minus y. Make this is to be plus zx, here is plus zx. Next is, suppose plus xy minus xy is cancelled. Next is plus xy, here it is minus xy, here is minus xy is to be cancelled. Next, another one is, this is to be minus z, so that plus xz minus xz is to be cancelled. Plus yz, here is plus yz, this is plus yz, z into minus y is plus yz, here is minus yz, so all should be cancelled. So this is to be minus z, even here is also minus z. It is to now is equal to x dx minus y dy minus z dz whole divided by 0. So this implies x dx minus y dy minus z dz is equal to 0 in cross multiplication. This is variable separable form. So integrating integral x dx minus integral y dy minus integral z dz is equal to C2 or C, because integration will be, simplification is x square by 2 minus y square by 2 minus z square by 2 is equal to C. This implies x square minus y square minus z square is equal to C2, where 2C is equal to C2. Take this equation as 3. Therefore, 2 and 3 gives the general solution of 1. 2 and 3 gives the general solution of 1. Right. Eighth problem. This is in 2017. Then here the problem is solve dx by y is equal to dy by minus x is equal to dz divided by 2x minus 3y. So solution. This is a problem in 2017. So here is possibility of the given problem. I will write first. Given dx by y is equal to dy by minus x is equal to dz by 2x minus 3y. This is Roman 1, Roman 2 and this is Roman 3. So take this as equation 1. Right. From Roman 1, Roman 2, we have the grouping method is there. By taking the grouping method itself, we have to find one solution. It is to be dx by y is equal to dy by minus x. This implies x dx is equal to minus y dy, variable separable form. Integrating x square by 2 is equal to minus y square by 2 plus c, implies x square plus y square is equal to c1, where 2c is equal to c1. Take this as 2. See that applying the grouping itself is possible. Suppose we have to apply the grouping. If it is not possible, then we have the multipliers are there. So to find out the second solution, it is not easy to take any set of two ratios for finding out the variable separable form. So that automatically we will go for the multipliers. Choosing multipliers. So here is y is there. In this term y is there, here is also y is there. So that to make it cancel in denominator by adding, here must be 3y we need. So first equation I can multiply by 3. Second equation already minus is there, it is plus is there. Second equation by 2. So that choosing the multipliers 3, 2, 1. So what it will be, each ratio is equal to 3 dx plus 2 dy plus z whole divided by 3y minus 2x plus 2x minus 3y is equal to 3 dx plus 2 dy plus z whole divided by 0. This implies 3 dx plus 2 dy plus z is equal to 0. This also variable separable form. Integrating 3x plus 2y plus this is dz. This also dz. 1 dz so that Z is equal to C2. Take this as equation 3. Therefore 2 and 3 gives general solution of 1. So these are the problems. We have to follow the method at first. Automatically the coming problems easy to solve by finding out the grouping methods, by using the grouping methods, or maybe the method of multipliers. Thank you very much.